Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So in this video here, I'm continuing my series on how to get free bouquets from flowers that you have growing in your yard. So I have my rose bush here, and this is a Double Delight hybrid tea rose. And you see what the blooms look like on this one when it fully opens. Now this one here is past its prime, so put that back in there. I'm using that for something different. This one here is perfect for cutting. So I have a nice sharp pair of pruning shears here, and they have been cleaned. So I'm going to just make a cut here, right down here. Okay. And I'm going to cut my foliage off. I don't want my foliage on this one here. Watch out for thorns. They are very jaggy. Now you're going to want a bucket that has water in it. I work with mostly dried flowers, so my bucket does not have water in it because I don't want wet stems, because that would just be a mess. Lots of thorns on here, and I'm just taking these off so that no one gets hurt. When you're harvesting your roses, you want nice, tight up at the top. This here is past its prime right here. Plus the Japanese beetles got it. And that's another reason why I'm taking this one early. We've had a few of them that didn't go to the traps, but they went after my roses. Okay, so I got the thorns off of here, and we're going to go and we're going to grab some hydrangeas from my hydrangea bush up here. So I just finished cleaning my pruners here, and I clean my pruners with alcohol. It prevents any diseases or viruses from spreading from one bush or one plant to another. So it's really important that you do that, and then you want to let them dry so that you don't harm your plants or your bushes. Like he's barking at the plane. So I'm picking this one here. This has really nice, you can see the flowers are really nicely developed on it. It's starting to turn pink to it. It has a little bit more of a firmer texture than some of these other ones. This is like a softer texture here. These here will wilt really easy if you get one of these here. And hydrangeas can tend to wilt on you, so you do want to add a flower food or a flower preservative to your water. We're just going to get in here. Let's see here if we can through here, and I'm just going to cut right here. Go. Take one of these here, and let's see. This one's still pretty soft. Yeah, we're going to let that mature more. So I'm going to take the leaves off of here. I don't want any leaves on any stems that are going to be underwater. That's a disaster, and it's going to lead to your bouquet not lasting as long, and it's going to lead to bacteria growing in your water. So let's see here. We got this. Got our beautiful rose here. Just going to kind of put this over here. Going to grab some statice, and we're going to grab a beautiful white with a pink tone to it straw flower here. And I'm pulling from all these different colors here. You can see how I'm pulling these here. This is going to be really pretty. I'm going to grab some pink statice here. This in here. My rose does not want to stay where I need it to stay here. It is a little easier sometimes designing them in a vase because you can kind of put your flowers in, but I'm out here and I'm harvesting right now, so I really want to show you just some different examples. Let's get some purple here. That'd be pretty. I'm picking like some different colors here. Baby's breath is beautiful with roses. You can grow that at home. I've grown that before. You can grow your own carnations at home. Winged everlastings will look really pretty with that. Need something back here. Need a little filler back here. I'm going to put some celosia back in through here. And you know what? Let's see here. Let's grab some whites here. Got some white status here. Oops. Hold on here. It's stuck. Also works better if you lay it on a table, but I'm trying to work here with what I got. Put some white status in there. And if you had a more mature rosebud that you wanted to use that didn't have all the holes in it, you could put that like right in there. That's pretty there. And I do need another hydrangea here. So I am going to cut this one here. Oops. It will still be okay, it just might not last quite as long. There we go. Need another hydrangea there. It still has some thorns on it. I'm going to put some more status in here. And I'm going to grab some status here. I'm just adding some more different statuses here. And there we go. We have our bouquet. So this is kind of more of like an elegant bouquet. If I had some more like this color straw flower here, or some more of these that were more mature, you could, fill in around it. You could go the whole way around if you chose to. This is a flat back style arrangement. I can do the ones that go the whole way around, but I'm working with the material that I have right now, and I'm just trying to show you, real quick here how to put a few of these together. You want to cut your stems at a 45-degree angle so that your flowers can take the water up in. So there we go. And this would look really pretty, like if you gave it to somebody for like an anniversary gift, or you could give it to a coworker or something like that as a gift. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That tells us I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description to my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.